I am from CodeSpeedy, and in this video I will show you how easily we can change the level text dynamically, or you can also say we will change the level text in Tkinter window using variables. At first I will create a label just like this. My label is equal tk dot label and add some text in it. Hi, I am a label. Now I just need to pack it. So if I run it, you can see I can see the output here. Now I will create a variable. Let's name it my var is equal hi, I am a variable. Now I will replace it with my variable just like this, my var. So if I run it, you can see that it's working fine and I can change the label text through variables. Okay, but there's an issue. For example, if I cut it and paste it here, like I have set the variable later on after creating the label. So if I run it, you can see there's an error. So we don't need to worry about this because Tkinter has a built-in method. By using that, we can easily change the text with variables like this. Again I am creating a variable, but this time I will be using tk dot string var. So if I use it and set it like this, my var dot set, so whatever value I will be putting here, that will be stored in my var. Hi, I am from my var. And you just need to remember that in this case, if you are using string var, in that case you have to use text variable just like this. Now if I run it, you can see it's working perfectly. And here's the cool thing about this, you can set the string later on, like you created the label first and then later on you can set the variable and it will work fine. So if you need to create a button, you can also do it like this. Just remove all these lines and I am going to create a new button, which is my button is equal tk dot button. Just name it click me and command will be our function. Just name it CodeSpeedy. Now I will create that function def CodeSpeedy, and under this function I can create that variable using string var. Now I can set it here just like this, my var dot set. Now I can put anything here. I am from button click. Okay, so it's not taking because it's under function. You have to declare it here just like this. And you can pack it inside that function. Now if I run it, you can see nothing is here because I haven't packed my button yet. You can pack it like this Now if I run it, you can see this click me button. If I click it, you can see the level is here, just printed as much as I want. So that's for today. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.